numbers. See, I'd get excited again. I'd say, all right, I'd come to a conference call, I'd hear a great story, and I'd run back over to the land of the victory, and I'd sponsor 5 people. And these 5 people would do nothing. But I was so committed. I wanted them to win so bad. I'd say, all right. It was like I had 5 chickens running around. And I'd find my chicken, and I'd go, hey, all right, now you can do it. Here's what I learned. And, we're this and this. And, you can do it. I believe in you. And we've got, all right, you know, yeah, I'm in. So say, fly, chicken. Now, do chickens fly? No, he'd flop back down. But I'd run back over and I'd say, come here, little chicken. I believe in you. Thank you. All right, well, listen, we've got our top leader coming in on Saturday to do a Super Saturday training. It's going to be awesome. Can you be there? I say, all right, I'll see you there. Now, do chickens fly? No, straight back down. But I'd run back over and I'd pick up my chicken. And here's the challenge. I had 5 of them. And so I'm fly, and I'm running around, and I'm just constantly fly. Now, you know what happens? You know what happens when you constantly try to make chickens fly? You end up with chicken shit all over you. So here's the lesson. There's chickens and there are eagles. Our job is to sort through the chickens to find the eagles. You got to decide that you're going to be an eagle. And here's what made all the difference. All the difference in the world. When I finally said enough is enough. When I finally got sick and tired of being sick and tired. And I said, never again am I going to sacrifice my goals and dreams for a life of mediocrity. Never again am I going to live in this cesspool of mediocrity that I'm living in. I finally said, you know what? For once in my life, I'm going to go all in. And I crossed over the bridge one last time, and I burned the damn bridge. And that's what made it work for me.